Tesla Summon is a feature that allows your Model 3 to autonomously move short distances without you inside the vehicle. You control the car remotely through the Tesla app using features like Come to Me for easy access in tight parking spots. There are two types of Summon. Classic Summon uses ultrasonic sensors for basic navigation in simpler environments. Smart Summon requires full self-driving and uses cameras for advanced navigation in complex environments like crowded parking lots. Summon operates at low speeds up to 5 miles per hour on private property, requiring your constant supervision via the app at all times for safety. Key safety note: you must supervise the car via the app, ready to intervene if needed. Summon only works on private property and not on public roads. This makes parking and retrieving your Model 3 convenient in tight spaces, but always prioritize safety by staying alert. Classic Summon is available on older Model 3 models and uses ultrasonic sensors to detect nearby objects and obstacles. To activate Classic Summon, open the Tesla mobile app and navigate to the Controls section, then select Summon. Before using Summon, make sure your car is in park mode and that you are within 330 feet or 100 meters of the vehicle. Once activated, Classic Summon will move the car slowly forward or backward in a straight line. You can stop the car remotely at any time using the Tesla app. Always maintain a clear line of sight to the car and be prepared to intervene if needed for safety. Smart Summon is available on newer Model 3s equipped with full self-driving. It uses Tesla Vision cameras for enhanced navigation around obstacles. To activate Smart Summon, open the Tesla app and go to Controls, then Summon. Tap Smart Summon, and the car will navigate complex parking scenarios either toward you or to a specified location. This version is more versatile than Classic Summon and can handle obstacles using camera vision. You can even draw a custom path to a specific point on the map within the app. Remember, you must maintain visual contact with the vehicle throughout the movement. Safety is paramount when using Summon. Always supervise the car via the app and be ready to stop it immediately. Tesla has added real-time video streaming during Summon to the app for extra monitoring. Set up custom no-go zones in the app to prevent Summon in unsafe areas. Summon operates at low speeds, up to 5 miles per hour, but accidents can still happen if you're not careful. Never use Summon on public roads or where pedestrians are present without strict supervision. If Summon isn't working, first ensure your car has a stable connection to the Tesla app and that your phone has a strong signal. Verify that the vehicle is in park mode and that all doors are securely closed before attempting Summon. Inspect the area around your vehicle for any objects, pedestrians, or obstacles that could be detected by the sensors or cameras and prevent Summon from operating safely. Software updates can sometimes temporarily affect Summon functionality, so check that your vehicle has the most recent Tesla software installed through the vehicle's touchscreen or app. If the issue continues after checking these steps, reach out to Tesla support through the app, website, or by phone for personalized troubleshooting help. Picture this: you're caught in a rainstorm and need to retrieve your Model 3 from a tight garage spot. Smart Summon uses advanced camera technology to navigate around obstacles like bicycles, even when ultrasonic sensors struggle in wet conditions. In a real case from 2024, a Tesla owner successfully used Smart Summon to avoid a collision in similar circumstances. Now imagine arriving home with arms full of groceries. Instead of walking back to park the car, Summon can autonomously bring your Model 3 right to your driveway. A 2026 user report described using Summon to fetch groceries, demonstrating its convenience for everyday tasks in controlled private spaces. These examples highlight Summon's practical benefits, but remember, safety first. Always supervise operations through the app and customize settings like geofencing to prevent use in unsafe areas. Tesla is continually improving Summon with AI-driven updates. These advancements use machine learning to enhance obstacle detection and decision-making in complex environments. The goal is unsupervised Summon, where the car can fetch itself without constant app oversight. This requires further advancements in full self-driving technology. This advancement depends on regulatory approvals from bodies like the NHTSA and EU authorities, ensuring safety standards are met before deployment. Future trends include integration with smart homes, allowing automatic garage entry and seamless vehicle access through connected systems. The technology will expand to other Tesla vehicles, including the Cybertruck, Model Y, and upcoming models for broader accessibility. More advanced safety features are on the horizon, including improved sensors, real-time video monitoring, and predictive hazard detection systems. As technology evolves, expect greater autonomy in parking scenarios where vehicles navigate complex environments with increased independence from drivers. Experts from organizations like the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety caution that while Summon is convenient, it can increase accident risks if misused. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has praised it as a game changer for accessibility, but critics note it could encourage over-reliance on automation. Statistics show a very low accident rate of 0.001% per use, with 0 fatalities reported. To use Summon responsibly, always operate it in ideal conditions with clear visibility and no obstacles. Be prepared to intervene at any time through the app controls. Summon includes multiple safety features like real-time video streaming, geofencing, and automatic halting for hazards, as shown in Tesla's safety documentation. While Summon represents progress toward full autonomous parking, it's crucial to understand its current limitations, such as operating only at low speeds and on private property. Prioritize safety by staying informed about software updates. By staying informed and using Summon cautiously, you can maximize its benefits for convenience while minimizing potential risks. Always refer to Tesla's official documentation for the most up-to-date guidance on safe and responsible use.